Hello, everyone. Good morning from Cambodia. My name is Chhourn. I work in the CARDI, Cambodian Agricultural Research and Development Institute. Today, I will share with you the information about the cassava varietal improvement in Cambodia. And the topic we talk about the introduction of the rapid multiplication system for disease-free planting material production in Cambodia. Cassava is the second largest crop in Cambodia, and in 2020 it occupies 663,000 hectares and ranked the second largest crop after rice. And in Cambodia produced more than 12 million tons in 2020 with the average yield of 20 tons per hectare. Recently, cassava production in Cambodia is affected by cassava mosaic disease and cassava witch broom that present the most serious threat to country production. Here in CARDI, we have started cassava research programs in 2005 with technical support and both technical and financial support from CEAT. That time represented in Bangkok. We have several activities, including of varietal testing, agronomical practices like planting method, soil management, and also fertilizer trial in the various ecosystem, especially the soil group. But unfortunately, the main research activity has been stopped for a while because we don't have project support and technical support. So what we have done, we just keep like germplasm conservation until 2020. Yes, this is some of our results that we have done from 2005 to 2008, actually continue until 2009 and 10. We conduct some experiment on the varietal cassava variety that introduced from Thailand that time, and we find that three varieties perform very well, both in yield and also state content, also state yield. Yeah. Rayon 60, Rayon 72, and KU 50 perform very well across some environment. But this variety, they don't have a stable yield that has effect by environment. As you can see, the G/E analysis indicated that this variety perform in a particular environment. And this the hot topic of our cassava production in Cambodia. I mentioned earlier that affected by CMD, and this disease was detected first detected in 2015 in Ratanakiri province, and now it's become the largest disease in Cambodia. Around more than 90% of field affected by the disease. And planting resistant variety has been shown to be the most effective strategy for controlling the disease. So based on this situation, we got the two support from our development partner. From OSED through the CARDI project, they support CARDI for greenhouse, two greenhouse, with the project title Greenhouse Establishment for Cassava Clean Seed and Rapid Multiplication. And from CEAT, we got 5 clone of CMD resistant for rapid multiplication in greenhouse. And also we do some multiplication on field. Not only planting material, but CEAT support some fund for conducting this activity. For greenhouse, we got 2 greenhouse supported by OSAID, by CARDI project. So this greenhouse is has been established in CARDI. Yeah, with the total size is 10 times 24 meter for each, and one with a bench like this to keep the planting material, and another one constructed with another bed. And from shed, yeah, into 2020 we got the 5 clone from shed developed by IITA. Yeah, we named it IITA 1 until IITA 5 for 100 plantlet for each variety. And we also got the free disease KU50 500 plantlet from a shed to do multiplication from tissue culture to the field. And this is some activity we have multiply the 5 CMD resistant clone as well as the KU50. Yeah, we do like this. Yeah, from the tube until to the field. Yeah, we do has to hardening for 2 weeks in the greenhouse and keep around 1 month in greenhouse, and then we transfer to the field. And on the left side, you can see the 6-month-old of cassava in the paddock field, in the field. Yeah. This is a status of a number of plantlet that we have multiplied in CARDI through tissue culture. So recently we multiply in the field. I mean, the plant that already multiplies, we already harvest, and then we multiply for the next generation. So far we got KU50 around 140, ITA 170, and another variety is around 90 to 100 plants in the field, and we hope to harvest it in around June, and to make some evaluation. And for rapid multiplication of this free planting material, we use a greenhouse system. This is a little bit different from what they have done in Laos or in Vietnam, but here in Cambodia we use the greenhouse, not tunnel. Yeah. And under support from shed, we construct the bed, the growing bed. A total of 10 beds has been constructed in this greenhouse. And then recently, this 10 bed is under utilized for rapid multiplication of disease-free materials. We got CMD-free material from Laos, and then now being multiplied using rapid multiplication, as you can see in the picture. Yeah. We use the single node propagation method, and on the right side, 2-month-old after planting. And a few days ago, we do the first harvest of the KU50 free CMD that we multiply in the greenhouse. And then now the situation of the plant is growing very well, and we hope we can get more and more cut. Yeah. After we got the machine for to make the medium for this multiplication. And normally the plant we harvest have around 7 to 8 nodes. Yeah, but it is a little bit late because we still waiting for a fiber machine to make the medium for this multiplication. But anyway, the plant is look good. Yeah, with 6 to 8 nodes. Yeah, as you can see in this picture. Yeah, for the future plants, we will maintain the 5 CMD resistant clone in vitro, and as well as in the paddock field, in the field. And recently we get the 6 new clone contributed from Xiat, and we will multiply the 6 new arrival clones both in vitro, and then we will transfer to the field for future evaluation. And for the 5 CMD resistant clone, we will evaluate for yield, stack content, disease resistant, and also the durability of these clones against the CMD, yeah, in the future. If we can select the good performance, promising line from the 5 CMD resistant clone, we will do an on-farm trial in a different environment, especially where the CMD outbreak location. And we also scaling up DC-free KU50 production. As you know that in CARDI, you have the very limited in the length, up length, but we have one satellite station of CARDI's research station in Prairie here. So we will transfer this production to the Prairie province, and we hope we can get enough clone, enough stake for contributing to farmer. Research activity in CARDI has faced many constraints. Example like the lack of labor, yeah, labor, especially for skill and both skill and non-skill labor. It's very difficult. So we need more support, more financial support to hire this kind of people to work in cassava research program. And we also lack of capacity in tissue culture, especially in meristem micropropagation. Yeah, we don't have human resource on this. So we hope we can get some training support from our partner. And of course, financial support for cassava varietal improvement is very limited. As I mentioned earlier, after we finished the shared project, cassava program has been stopped, standby for a while until 2020. Yes, this is our constraint and our weakness. So hopefully we can get some more support from our partner. Okay, this is the information from Cambodia. Thank you very much for your attention. Thank you.